Rubella. Introduction. Rubella and measles are the same illness. Select true or false. Correct. Some people refer to rubella as German measles. Rubella and measles are somewhat similar, but they are not the same illness. Which of the following are symptoms of rubella? Choose one of the following options. 1. A mild fever. 2. A rash. 3. Red eyes. 4. All of the above. Correct. A mild fever, a rash, and red eyes are all possible signs of rubella, but most people have mild symptoms or are symptom-free. Rubella is caused by a virus and can spread from person to person through coughing and sneezing. Select true or false. Correct. Rubella could cause a pregnant woman to miscarry. Select true or false. Correct. Rubella could cause a miscarriage. The disease could also be passed from the mother to the baby and cause serious harm. Vaccination can help prevent rubella. Select true or false. Correct. A common vaccine is called MMR because it protects against measles, mumps, and rubella. MMRV is another option that protects against those three, plus varicella or chickenpox. Thank you for using Explain.